Mama Tried is an invitational-only motorcycle show in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, created by myself and Scott Johnson. It's in February. It's cold, kind of a gamble the first time we decided to do it. Will it happen? Will we get snowed out? Will people show up?
Warren and I started it a couple years ago, just as a lark, something to do for the winter months. It gets kind of bleak around here in the winter and we don't have much riding to do, and people are always wrenching on bikes and redoing them and taking them apart, so that's like a thing to do in the winter to kind of keep the stoke going.
You know, we range anywhere from 90 to 120 bikes that come from all over the country that Scott and I handpick, try to mix it up. There's not just one style or type or year. You know, we've had brand new bikes in and the oldest bikes you can think of here, and from race to chopper to stock to weird and everything in between.
Well, I think Jeff's style of bike's kind of timeless. There's the fads, the low baggers, and the radical choppers, and they're all real cool, but you can't really ride them. Jeff kind of does that less is more aesthetically. They're so nice. I've built motorcycles, been into motorcycles my whole life, and his are so nice I miss all the little tricks he does because they're so precise and so much attention to detail. Like you walk in like, oh, nice fender struts, you know, where'd you buy those? Well, it took a day to make those fender struts. They're so subtle, but yet they add to the whole package so well. I mean, it's amazing. It just looks like a stripped bare kind of racing cool motorcycle that will be just as popular 10 years ago as it will be 10 years from now. It's kind of the essence of a motorcycle to me, you know. He does build a beautiful bike.
He's methodical, he's calculating, function comes first. He's not going to send you rolling down the road on a machine that he wouldn't ride himself, you know. I think Jeff's technique, his method, his attention to detail, all of that is kind of a reflection of who he is. There's a lot of different facets to Jeff Cochran, I'll tell you that.
When he builds a motorcycle, he's looking at it like a jeweler's looking through the loop at, you know, the tiniest detail in something. But that's how Jeff sees this big bike. And, you know, over the years, I've heard guys come in the shop and just, they're blown away by the detail and just his meticulous craftsmanship. But it's because he's always that jeweler. It's ingrained in who he is, and he's looking through that loop. So, you know, I think that's what people appreciate.
Jeff's work is phenomenal. He's got a great eye for detail. I like where he goes with, you know, his custom parts that are clean and appear to be stock but aren't. One of his things is making a swing arm frame look cool, which is really hard to do. It's a kind of a technical thing that probably not a lot of people pick up on, but he's able to make a swing arm bike look cool, and I appreciate that.